Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we discuss addition of like fraction. How we add these like fractions. So there is question rises, what is fraction? So fraction is a part of whole. Part of whole. So there is a one circle. It is divided in two parts. So means one circle divided in two parts. It is 1 over 2. This is a fraction. Let me take one more example. This is a circle. It is divided in four parts. Means one circle divided in four parts. This is 1 over 4. It is a fraction. So I hope now you have clear what is a fraction. And now we move to like fraction. Fraction is made from numerator and denominator. 1 over 2, 1 over 2 is fraction, so 1 is numerator, 2 is denominator. There is a like fraction. Like fractions are those fractions whose denominator is equal, 1 over 2 and 3 over 2. These are two like fractions, their denominator is equal. Let me take one more example. 2 over 5, 3 over 5, both are like fraction. Now we discuss how we add these fractions. So in this question there is 1 over 3, 2 over 3. Both are like fractions because their denominator is equal. We add these fractions. 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3. Their denominator is equal. So we write here 3, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2. It is equal to 3 over 3 and it is equal to 1. 3 cancel with 3. On the table of 3 we cancel them, we get answer 1. Now we move to another question, 2 over 5 and 3 over 5. Again both are like fraction. So 2 over 5 plus 3 over 5, it is equal to, denominator is 5, we add its numerator 2. 2 plus 3, it is 5 over 5. Again both are cancelled on the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. It is equal to 1. I hope this video is helpful for you. How we add like fractions. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel.